So we just had the delivery from Global, and we spent a lot of money yesterday, but it's worth it in the end when you think about building a mortgage-free house, right? So we got the toilets here, 2 toilets. I've got all the fittings for the sink, toilets, and there's two sinks there as well, 1, 2. So 2 toilets and 2 sinks. Got the shower. These are the shower valves for the shower. These are nice showers. I've got 2 different ones. So nice wall showers. Got all the skirting. Okay, skirting has to be put all around the edges. Okay, skirting. Okay, that's skirting. That's electrical pipe for the electric wiring, so there's no to go through the pipe. Fuse box, all the silicone. Okay, and all these are like plugs that we're going to have around the house, plugs and sockets. These are going to be the lights. So we've got 9-volt ultra slim lights. That's going to be put on the ceiling. That looks nice. So ultra slim lights. We also got the main lights. Yeah. Main lights go in the big rooms and in the bedroom. And then we have some more lights. So we're having a lot of ceiling lights, yeah, to go on the ceiling to make it look nice. All the electric cabling. Okay, got all the paint for the house. That is like let's see what it is. Yeah, that's like what you use to prime the walls. So it's a wall primer. Yeah, paint. You got to paint this on before you paint the paint, basically. And this is the paint for the house. Don't know if it's enough, but we'll see. We can always go back and get more paint, but the paint here is like about 10,000 baht. Okay, so it's quite expensive. All the noise you're hearing is like the workmen's come today to build the ceiling. So we're having a ceiling put in. All the plasterboards, okay, all the plasterboards for the ceiling. So the metal runners for the ceiling to hold the board up. And as you see, the electrician is here putting in his boxes to do the main wiring. This is the next big expense for the homestead, but as I said, you're building a mortgage-free house, so you only need to pay it once and it's yours. So these are all our tiles. These are the tiles for the toilet, the bathroom. Okay, these are the wall tiles. Got a nice plant scheme going there. And these are the floor tiles, the non-slip, yeah, for the bathroom toilet. They look pretty cool, quite like them. And then outside window, we have the roofing panels for the roof here. So all the panels got to go underneath here for the roof, and that's about it. But all this stuff comes to about 2,000 odd pounds, right? So when you think of it in the long run, yeah, you have to buy all the things to finish the house off, but once it's finished, I mean, £2,000 is quite cheap in my opinion to get all the fixtures and furnishing for the house. I mean, if you're going to buy a house in England, how much is it? What, 250,000 for a basic house? You know, so it's prices in England are overpriced. I think all the housing market in England is just created by like inflation and economy, stuff like that. I mean, the amount of materials we put in this house, I'll do a calculation at the end of the build, and I'll tell you how much we spent. So I know Thailand is classified as a third world country, but at the end of the day, it's, a different place to live. So anyway, that's just a quick update of the house, and I'll show you the receipt. Bit noisy in here, but let me show you how much I paid. So all the goods, 95,713 baht and 80 Sing. So that's how much we spent yesterday, but the major purchase of the house is done.